Dentures are used basically for replacement of your teeth, and this has been traditionally used for many years. But the biggest problem with dentures is you will have to remove the dentures at night times, and the chewing efficiency is very poor with the denture. Please understand that these dentures are made of plastic, and it's extremely difficult to chew food with these plastic dentures. Today we have a transformation, and today dental implants have made a huge transformation in the way in which you can say goodbye to dentures. There are various ways and number of implants can be used for basically replacement of all your teeth when you've lost all your teeth. The first one is what is called as an implant over denture. And in this, traditionally we have been placing 2 or maximum 3 implants, and this has either a ball and a socket arrangement or a bar which is fixed on the implants in the jaw to which your denture can be clipped. And the biggest advantage of this is the fact that your denture is much more retentive on the jaw. You do not have the fear that the denture might fall off when you're speaking or eating, and that social embarrassment can be completely eliminated with this simple alternative of actually having a couple of implants and clipping these dentures on. But this also has a drawback wherein you will have to remove the denture. The other option which is there today is what is called as a fixed full mouth rehabilitation. Here we can actually place either 6 implants, or basically we can only place 4 implants. A new concept which is called as all on 4 is which is basically making a big difference. In fact, today we are trying to reduce the number of implants, and there is a newer concept today which has just been recently launched, which we have been practicing in our practice, and that is called as the trefoil concept, where based on only 3 implants we can give a full arch rehabilitation. So simple 3 implants just in the front portion of the lower jaw can actually give you a fixed prosthesis. That means a fixed bridge going from molar to molar with simple 3 implants, and that's the trefoil concept. But this concept is only for the lower jaw. For the upper jaw, you either need 4 implants, and that's the all on 4 concept, wherein you have 2 implants in the front region which are straight and 2 implants which are tilted at an angle, and that can give a bridge going in from your first molar to the first molar on either side, and that is all on 4 concept. Or you can have multiple implants if you want more number of teeth. You can have 6 or 8 implants fixed to the jaw, and that can basically give you a longer bridge going from the second molar to the second molar. And that's where today a fixed prosthesis based on implants is transforming your quality of life. You do not have the fear that the denture basically can fall off, or the chewing efficiency has been dramatically changed to an extent where what you had the chewing efficiency when you had your natural teeth is completely restored using implant.